Your hair will smell nice. Hey guys, welcome back to my wonderful channel. It's your girl Joy, aka Miss JOVOU. If you're new to my channel, you're welcome, darling. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to another video. So guys, today's video, according to the title, I'm going to be sharing with you guys like products you need to get for your Jheri coil after getting your Jheri coil done. I'll be getting this question in the comment section a lot. Well, after getting your Jheri coil, what and what do you need to like help maintain it and all the rest? If this is what you're interested in, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, drop a comment down, share to your family and friends, and subscribe. Turn your post notification on so you won't miss any of my videos. No further ado, let's get right into the video. So if you see me looking down, honey, everything is written in my notebook. I can't put everything in my hair. I'm not a computer, okay? So let's just get right into it. The first thing you need to get shampoo. There are a lot of shampoos out there. I do not know the specific one you get. I have shared a couple of them with you guys. The ones I use for myself. I've used Egg Glister, I've used Mega Growth, I have used aloe vera shampoo. Buy what works for you, okay? I have used Egg Glister and it's so good for my hair. Like, it makes my hair soft. If you have tough hair, like strong hair, I think that product is usually good to go for your hair. That's just basically it. I use Egg Glister, I have used Mega Growth, I have used aloe vera conditioner and the shampoo and all that. So those products are so good to my hair. It makes my hair neat and everything. Like, I get the full kit. I don't just buy this and this like from different brands. If I'm buying, I buy in pack, in a set. I love when everything is together. I don't get this and this and then I'll get another product from another brand and blah blah blah. Like the whole mixture. Get shampoo for your hair. That's the first thing you need to do, because when you get a Jheri coil, you don't have to necessarily go to the salon all the time. I need to wash my hair. My hair is stuffy, it's smelling, it's dirty and all that. Just go to the shower and you like massage, like washing my hair in the shower and all that. So do what works for you, but make sure you get a shampoo, whichever brand, any product of your choice. Buy what works for you, okay? I am not here telling you guys, oh, go get this one, go get this one. No. Another product you need to get is a conditioner. If possible, just get a full kit. Like, just get a kit. Get a shampoo, get a conditioner. Also get a leave-in conditioner. You can get it from another brand of your choice, but like I said, a kit. Get a kit. Leave-in conditioner is so good because after washing your hair, shampoo, if you want to use the conditioner, you can use the conditioner. But if you just want your hair to kind of be more fresh and soft and all that, like you just want the whole product to get into the hair, get a leave-in conditioner. While you're bathing, wash your hair with shampoo and all that, you just apply the leave-in conditioner. When you're done bathing, raise the hair. You will feel so good. Get a shampoo, a conditioner, a leave-in conditioner. Get a hair cream for your hair. You get a hair cream that will help reduce dandruff on your hair or make your hair more soft or make your hair more strong, because some people want their hair to be strong, like things like that. Protein treatment, just get a hair cream. That's one thing I liked about Egg Glister. It comes with the hair cream and everything, though it has a little bit of seed in the hair cream. So when I apply it, sometimes my hair will feel like I have sand in my hair, and when someone is making my hair like, what did you apply? I'm like, it's a hair cream. But the good thing about it is that it actually helps reduce some stuff in the hair, dandruff, and makes your hair neat and smell nice. I love when my hair smells nice. Peradventure someone is standing next to you, your hair will smell nice. Even when I go make my hair, I don't necessarily need to wash my hair every time I go make my hair. I wash my hair from home and then go to the salon. Like, just wash hair. They charge 1,500, 600, depending if your hair is natural, like you have not relaxed it. There is price for it. Your hair is relaxed, you want to wash your hair, that is the price for it. Just to save that 1,500, 600, 800, that is it. Another thing you need to get is hair growth oil. You can get castor oil. Just get all those hair growth oil that you can use applying your hair. There's this oil that I use. I make them myself. You guys know I have a business, I do organic, so you can make it in your house. There are a lot of videos on YouTube on how to make carrot oil or how to make avocado oil, so just do your research. I apply carrot oil on my hair. Avocado oil is also good, and there's argan oil. There are a lot of oil out there that you can use for your hair. Honey, all these things are just there in the market. Just go to the supermarket, you will see a lot of oil in the market for your hair, and you get one or two. Don't overdo it. Don't apply it too much on your hair to the point that you go out and your hair is dripping oil. My skin is giving. It's literally giving. Are you seeing? Really give up product JOVOU Beauty Prime. I applied this on my body and you can see how my body is glowing. It actually helps lighten the skin a little. I've been using this for a couple of months now and you can see my skin is looking all good. And then another product you need to get hair masks. There is this hair mask that I got a couple of months ago, that was last year. It's sulfate free. If you haven't seen the video where I was talking about products I got, like green products I got aloe vera shampoo, I got the conditioner, I got the hair mask. All these products, I got them in Awuri supermarket in Port Harcourt. Those are green products. Get a hair mask, or you can actually make your own hair mask. There are a lot of videos on that. Either you get already made one or you make yours at home. Another product you need to get hair perfume or perfume so your hair will not smell. Like I said, I love it when my hair smells nice. Before I go out, oil perfume, just like spray on my hair when I'm going out. Get perfumes for your hair, or just naturally, like I said, you have perfume, just try to spray perfume, 1 or 2. Don't overdo it so your hair will not be oozy. 1 or 2 spray will go a long way, okay? Another thing you need to get is oil change spray. I always talk about this for your coils, for your Jheri coil. Sometimes I don't really apply coil activator too often. Mostly when my hair is in this afro coil form, I just spray water on my hair, and before you know, my coils will start showing, and then I'll just go in with oil change spray. There are a lot of oil change spray out there, so I like spray it on my hair. Even if my hair dries out, my hair is still shiny, and when I touch it sometimes, I feel the oil, but I don't overdo it so my hair will not be greasing oil. Like I said, it's not when I put it, like if I put my hair on my pillow, oil. No, I don't do that, like, and then I rub it in and everything is good to go. Another thing you need to get a coil activator. Once you get the Jheri coil done, if you get a kit, the coil activator in that kit is very small, for 3 months or 2 months or 1 month. I use Jack 5. There are a lot of other coil activators out there that you can use. Series coil activator, aloe vera coil activator, like there are a lot of coil activator out there. So just try, get the one that works for you. You don't necessarily have to use the one I use, but that's what works for me and helps my coils. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. I hope this video is helpful to each and every one of you. If it was, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, drop a comment down, share to family and friends, and subscribe. Turn your post notification on so you won't miss any of my videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll definitely see you guys in my next video. Bye.